Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to convert PNGs into JPGs, using SIPs, the command line program that is available with every single Mac. So here's what we're going to convert are the pictures in this folder. And then we're gonna hopefully be able to make them into JPGs. There's 3 sample pictures and a screenshot that I took. Just so we see them, they're right here. Oh, whoops. Okay. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Terminal, or iTerm in my case. And here we are. We're going to CD into the folder that we are wanting to work with. So we're going to do CD. And here it is, because I've typed it before. Desktop / PNGs. And I'm in there. Now, I'm going to type in 4 I in asterisk .png do and then we're gonna delete. This is the whole command. It just had it, but I have to delete this part right here. I'm going to delete this path. So the last thing should be the quotation marks, the semicolon, and the word done. And so this part here, all the way to the first PNG and semicolon, is the loop that causes the application to look for all files with the extension PNG. And then the second part is the S format option 70 that shows the quality of the JPEGs and the format itself. And it removes the old extension and puts in the new extension. That's the last part, sorry. So for that part, it's this one right here. This removes the PNG extension and puts in the JPG extension. But up here, for options, and sorry guys, I'm looking off to the side to look at my notes, but the format option 70 sets the quality of the JPEG to 70%. If you choose to leave it off, that's fine. That works as well. But that's the end of the command. That should enable you to quickly convert a batch of files from PNGs to JPGs. Okay, so we're going to hit enter or return. So let's take a look. Not sure why it's doing that, but yep, here it is. So it's a PNG, the Penguin JPG, and then the PN grade HD Draba, and the sample PNG, and then the screenshot, partial screenshot that I took. So anyway, guys, that is how you would quickly change a format of a batch of images into a different format. If you wanted to convert it to anything else, you would simply go back into this command and change this part here into anything that you want. This is the inside of it. This is the what's going in. In this case, it's PNGs, and then what's coming out is JPGs. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Hope you liked it, and let me know what you would use this type of command for. Please like and subscribe and comment. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you all in the next video.